Hello viewers, let's analyze the question we have on the board. And the question says, simplify 7 power 3. 7 power 3 minus 7 power 2. All in brackets, divide by 7 power 2. These and these are the same. Okay? They are the same. And what I will do here, I will simplify the numerator. Okay, when I simplify the numerator, I will now join it with the denominator, which is for this 7 power 3, I will apply multiplication law of indices that stipulates that if we have y raised to power p multiplied by y raised to power q, that when you apply the multiplication law of indices, that y, the multiplication law of indices will become y power p plus what? Plus q. So I will apply this concept to here. And when I do, we will have 7 power 2 multiplied by 7 power what? Power 1. So if you apply the multiplication law of indices here, you will get this, okay? Minus 7 power 2 over 7 power 2. So when you look at the numerator, you will observe that they have 7 power 2 in common. So I will factor it out. When I factor 7 power 2 out, we will be left with 7 power 1 minus 1 all over 7 power 2. So this 7 power 2 and 7 power 2 will cancel out, and the answer will become 7 minus 1. And 7 minus 1 will give us 6. Now, if you understand this question very well, what do you think about this? Simplify 4 power 6 minus 4 power 5, all in bracket, divide by 4 power 5. Drop your answer in the comment section. Like I always tell you, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you do well to subscribe so that you will get notification when I upload new video, and also share my video to your friends and well wishers so that they will benefit as well. I post every day, so if you subscribe to my YouTube, it will be of an advantage to you. And if there is any area that you are finding difficult, don't hesitate to forward those questions to me so that I will help out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.